Hey friends, it's Kimmy in the kitchen, and I'm here to talk to you about some of my favorite products that Pampered Chef carries, and that is our cookware. And the reality is that even if you are one of those persons who hates to cook, who wishes that you could turn your kitchen into a fourth bedroom, you probably have cookware and you use it at least sometimes, right? So you want to have things that are going to work for you in your kitchen as opposed to work against you and make your life harder and more difficult. And that's where our cookware comes in. We actually have 4 different lines. Well, let me count them actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 5 different lines of cookware that, and when I say cookware, I mean that you can use on the stove. But the beautiful thing about our cookware is that most of it can be used in plenty of other places besides just the stove, which I think is so awesome. So let me start with showing you our newest line of cookware. And actually this is our newest piece in our newest line, which does come with Clearview glass lids, by the way, but this is our Brilliance non-stick. It's lightweight, which I love. It is totally non-stick. And what I love the most about our Brilliance is that you can get splatters and all this sort of stuff. It just cleans up beautifully every time, dishwasher safe. In fact, almost all of our cookware is dishwasher safe. I'll let you know which one is not. Every one of our cookware lines, except for the Brilliance, has a lifetime guarantee on it. So you are purchasing something that is an investment. Now, this is not shabby either. It's got an 11-year guarantee on it, and it's a great for the starter pieces or for those of you who are just like, I want good cookware, but I'm not really a cook. And so this Brilliance is it. It's priced a little bit less as well. You can use metal as well as other type of utensils on all of our cookware, which is pretty fantastic. All right, so let's then talk about enameled cast iron. And I love the color. This is gorgeous. It's heirloom piece. Compare it in price with the Le Creuset. You will not come up short. And of course, with Pampered Chef, you can always get items for free and at a discount when I just put together a quick shopping link for you, and we do like just a fast, fun virtual gathering with friends, sharing recipes, tips, ideas, etc. And so anyway, so this is the enameled cast iron. It is dishwasher safe. It is stovetop safe. It is of course oven safe, and it's gorgeous. Now let's talk about our regular cast iron. This is the only line that is not dishwasher safe, and of course we know cast iron seasons that as you use it, and so but that actually makes it really easy to clean. And not only does this go on the stovetop, in the oven, under the broiler, it also goes on the grill and even over the open flame. So for those of you who are campers or outdoorsy people, cast iron is versatile. It is the way to go. I feel like everybody should have at least one piece of cast iron in their collection. All right, 2 more pieces. These are also non-stick. For those of you who are purists, we've got our stainless non-stick. And this gets a ton of mileage in our use. Lifetime guaranteed. It's got the hexagonal mesh non-stick on the bottom. Dishwasher safe, oven safe. You can use it on your induction stoves. So by the way, what can you use on induction stoves? So glad you asked. You can use the stainless non-stick, you can use the enameled cast iron, and you can use the regular cast iron on the induction. The others, you cannot. And so anyway, this gorgeous, beautiful, stands the test of time. You get those beautiful fawns when you're searing meat. You get wonderful rich sauces, all that sort of good stuff. Great, great pieces. And last but not least is our non-stick cookware. And again, you do not have to worry about things chipping, flaking, or peeling. Pampered Chef guarantees it for life that it will not do it. These are dishwasher safe. Use your metal utensils on them, all that sort of good stuff. They are hard anodized aluminum. They heat quickly, they heat evenly, oven safe up to like 450 degrees. And here's one thing I love about the nonstick cookware, especially for those of you who don't have a ton of room in your kitchen. The handles are removable. And so not only is that great for taking them in and out of the oven, but it's also great for storing because they store like bowls as opposed to, having to find the awkward place for the handle. So with that being said, the nonstick, the stainless nonstick, and the Brilliance all have Clearview glass lids. The cast iron does not have a glass lid, but we do have a grill press, which is awesome for when you're making steaks and meats and paninis and all that sort of stuff. And then of course the enameled cast iron has the matching lid. One thing I love about this lid too is if you're basting or what have you, it's got these nubs on the inside of the lid, and that helps to where it's literally like raining back down as whatever, you know, your roast or whatever is evaporating up, that moisture is coming right back down and seeping into your meal for, you know, juicy heaven. So anyway, so that's our cookware. You guys, it's competitively priced if you compare it with other high-end brands. However, my recommendation is don't pay full price, because I can help you get any one of these sets or pieces that you might need for your collection at 50 to 60% off, if not free, again, just by gathering a few friends together, just like we're doing here on Table. So hope you're having a great day. Hopefully this will help you. And I would love to hear which line of cookware that you think is best for you. All right, talk to you soon.